Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today we're going to be taking a look at the rumored news that AKAI MPC is trying to roll out the MPC firmware update, which will be the MPC OS 2.11. Now, what are the features of this MPC OS 2.11? The very first thing you need to know was mentioned in passing that, oh yes, this is compatible now with the Apple M1 chipset. That is going to be a game changer and a very good news to those people who are already getting frustrated with the fact that they cannot currently use their device, very well with the Apple M1 chipset devices. Apple laptop, the 2.10 crashes intermittently, but now this has promised to fix that. And then beyond that, we have other good features. We're talking about the advanced browser, which means you can easily now browse for the items on your device in a better and more well arranged pattern. Yes, there's that. And there's also the fact that you now have a more intriguing workflow. Yes, which means a lot of other shortcuts and a lot of easier to access features are already in place within that particular interface that can make your workflow a lot easier for you. Also, you'll be able to do more. You'll be able to achieve more rather by doing less. Yes, we're also talking about a better interaction with effects. And yes, that's basically just what it is. A good example, I personally, the reason why I have not changed my system, I use a Mac Pro. The reason why I have not changed it also to an M1 chipset, upgraded to a new model, is simply because I don't want to get stuck, in that particular scenario of not being able to use my device with it. But now, should this one come out, I think it's rumored to come out in June 2022. Should it come out and it works flawlessly and seamlessly with all the Apple M1 chipsets? Yes, I think I'll go ahead and upgrade my Mac, and then I'll get the latest model so that I can also get to do some of the other things I intend to do. This is good news. Yes, we hope the AKAI professional will come through with it, and then we'll keep our fingers crossed and we'll do more review when it is finally launched. That'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. We will see you in the next one.